An iPad Pro case can add functionality to your device while protecting it from full-on catastrophe. A full-sized Apple tablet can be more expensive than some laptop computers currently on the market, and you're going to want to make sure you have it working in top shape for a long time to come. That doesn't mean to have to hide that alluring industrial design in a drab slab of plastic. All of our picks for the best iPad Pro cases will help you to protect your property in style. You'll also find specific recommendations that we are making based on how you plan to use your 12.9-inch iPad Pro in all its vivid glory. Number 1. Logitech Slim Folio Pro. Users can alternate their note-taking with the included keyboard or via an Apple Pencil. Whether you are taking notes in a virtual classroom or boardroom, the Logitech Slim Folio Pro stands out amongst third-party iPad Pro cases as a practical choice for the best iPad Pro case for note-taking. And if you're looking for a case with a keyboard that isn't quite as expensive as an official Apple product, this sells for less than half the price of an Apple Magic Keyboard. Logitech aims to provide a laptop-like experience with the keyboard, ergonomically speaking, so you won't be creating knots in your fingers that shouldn't be there when you type. It's compatible with the Apple Pencil too, should you prefer to take notes by actually writing them down, but doesn't have the sturdiest stand if you want to use it for propped-up drawing. Though it requires a lithium polymer battery, you shouldn't have to recharge it more than once every 3 months if you use it for around 2 hours a day. Number 1. Zugu iPad Pro Case. A lightweight case that is still a breeze with an Apple Pencil tucked into it. If your trusty Apple Pencil is your primary means of input, you may want to consider buying an iPad Pro case that has the perfect place for your key accessory so you don't risk misplacing it when you need it. This Zugu case is the best iPad Pro case with a holder because of its snug Apple Pencil caddy that will hug the writing accessory tight and keep it clean of dust and debris that can easily sneak into bigger pockets. And, with a stand featuring 10 magnetically secure viewing angles, you can use that pencil in a way that feels comfortable to you. You also get the sleek look of leather in a more affordable blend of material that also includes microfiber and polycarbonate. At under half a pound, the Zugu case is light as a feather, easy to clean, and should protect your iPad Pro even if it manages to drop up to 5 feet to the ground. Still, we wouldn't suggest that you try that at home. Number 3. OtterBox Defender Series. Creatives who are constantly on the go, or who don't want to work in one dedicated space, can report for duty and trust the drop protection of this OtterBox iPad case, which, with its integrated screen protector, passes military standards. There's plenty of protection for corners because OtterBox didn't cut any. At 1.68 pounds, this best iPad Pro case for artists is still fairly light and won't be a pain to pack for a road gig if you're a visual or performing artist already lugging gear, yet it is rugged enough to keep at bay all the potential nicks and scratches of use sketching in the field or for a DJ or a musician on a stage, etc. One small drawback is that the case only works with the second-gen Apple Pencil, so if you're a visual artist with the OG version, the Apple Pencil it will have to stay at home. There aren't as many possible stand angles as some of the other cases listed here, but those that are available in this model are sturdy for drawing or viewing. An inner shell and outer slipcover keep all the muck away from your iPad Pro. Number 4. Tomtoc Portfolio Case. It's easy to make a total mess out of your iPad and all its accessories if you don't have a case with as much space as the Tomtoc Portfolio does. As the best iPad Pro case for drawing, it's zippered, hard-shelled, and water-repellent case has a large pocket for an Apple Pencil, naturally, your new AirPods 3, for some auditory inspiration, external drives, always back up those projects, cables, and more. It's easy to grip thanks to a grooved design, which will come in handy if you're stuffing it in a larger bag on the go. There's space for a screen cleaning cloth, we like the Calyptus Screen Cleaner, to keep your canvas looking crystal clear. You can also throw in some real-world drawing supplies, like mechanical pencils, pens, and brushes, to channel your inner Bob Ross, if you like to have a hybrid of digital and old-fashioned analog tools in your artistic arsenal. Bonus, it'll fit an iPad with an Apple Magic Keyboard for those who want fortress-level protection and even more increased productivity. Number 5. Elevation Lab Draft Table V2 Kit. If you are a visual artist or a novice drawer who wants to use your iPad Pro as a stationary sketchpad for ideas big and small, you'll want the iPad Pro case accessory for drawing that doesn't buckle under the sustained pressure of your hands. And while many cases have a built-in plastic pedestal, there's a benefit to picking a dedicated iPad stand, though you'll probably also want a true case for protection beyond surface scratches. Sturdy Steel makes the Elevation Lab Draft Table V2 Kit, which comes with an Apple Pencil holder and separate armrest for that crucial ergonomic support, making this pick a preferred professional standard amongst artists. However, There is at least one potential downside to choosing an iPad holder over a traditional case: it helps keep things stationary, but the surface is less stable than laying it on a flat side, and it doesn't have any benefit if you're in transit. While you may not be as likely to knock this stand over, there's no screen or edge protection, so, if you drop it, you're playing damage roulette. This means that it may be best used in one space where your iPad Pro doesn't travel much, or it accompanies a traditional case of some sort.